Motion and Reclaim AI are two of the most popular AI productivity tools, but they serve different needs. So, Motion, on the right side of the screen, is an all in one platform that combines tasks, projects, meetings, and docs using AI to aggressively plan and reshuffle your schedule. It's powerful for deadline driven teams, but it comes at a premium price, starting at $34 per month. Reclaim AI, on the other hand, focuses on smart scheduling. It syncs with Google or Outlook, automatically blocks focus time, manages habits, and even schedules meetings intelligently. Best of all, it offers a free tier and paid plans starting at just $8 per month. So the verdict is that Motion is best if you want full AI productivity hub, while Reclaim AI is ideal if you just need a smarter calendar management at a lower cost. So basically that's it. That's the overview of Reclaim AI versus Motion AI.